Sagittal section of head and neck. Today we are going to discuss the specimen of the sagittal section. First of all, starting from the above, this region is the frontal air sinus, and then going downwards we have this nasal cavity. This is the nasal cavity. In the nasal cavity, this is the lateral wall of the nose, and in the lateral wall of the nose we know that this region is cartilaginous and bony. So this first thing is here, this is the superior concha, middle concha and inferior concha, and beneath these concha or turbinates we have the spaces or meatuses. This is the superior meatus, this is the middle meatus, and this is the inferior meatus. Then going behind these conchas, we have this rough area. This is known as the nasopharyngeal tonsils. These are the nasopharyngeal tonsils. And from this point here behind the conchas, this is the posterior nares, and from here we have starting the nasopharynx. This region is the nasopharynx. This is the body of the sphenoid, and this is the soft palate. Between these two, this is the nasopharynx. In the nasopharynx, one thing that you can clearly notice is that here is an opening. This opening is the opening for the auditory tube. This opening for the auditory tube, and there is a margin around this auditory tube. This is known as tubal elevation or torus tubarium. Torus tubarium and auditory tube opening. This torus tubarium is continuing downwards as the salpingopharyngeal fold. This fold here, this fold is the salpingopharyngeal fold. So this is all about the oropharynx. So this is soft palate, this is the superior surface of the soft palate, and this is the inferior surface of the soft palate. This hard is the hard palate. This bony part is the hard palate. This is soft palate. This projection is known as uvula. So this is nasopharynx. Now coming downwards from the nasopharynx, we have the oropharynx. This is the inferior surface of the soft palate. This is tongue. Up to here, epiglottis. This is epiglottis. Up to this upper margin of the epiglottis, we have this oropharynx. Continuing downwards, we have the epiglottis. This structure is the epiglottis, and this is the aryepiglottic fold. Aryepiglottic fold. If we lift the epiglottis above, and we will go into the larynx. This is the cavity of the larynx. This is the cavity of the larynx. We have these two vocal folds. These are the two vocal folds. Now the cartilages. You can see the prominence here. This prominence, this is the laryngeal prominence. So this is indicating that this is the thyroid cartilage. This is the thyroid cartilage, and if we go downward, again we find a hard structure here. This hard structure. This is the cricoid cartilage. Thyroid cartilage above and cricoid cartilage below, and this is the laryngeal prominence that we also call Adam's apple. This is the posterior cut margin of the cricoid cartilage. This is trachea. From here, this is the first tracheal ring. Now coming towards the tongue or the oral cavity, the second part we will discuss in the coming section.